In my previous lecture, we have already discussed that the anions are larger size as compared to the size of the cation. So in generally, in most of the ionic compounds, due to larger size, the anions adopt either HCP or CCP or BCC arrangement, while the cations occupy the voids like tetrahedral void, octahedral void or cubic void. So, depending upon the relative number of cations and anion in an ionic solid, the ionic solids are or ionic crystals are classified into three categories. So, that is your structure of ionic solid. So, structure of ionic solid, we have to study about three types of structure. First one is AB type, we categorize it as AB type, and second one is AB2 type, and third one is A2B type. Here A is the cation and B is the anion. So ratio is the 1:1, and here AB2 the ratio is 1:2, means cation is 1, anion is 2, and here in A2B type it is just opposite of AB2 type, so that is ratio is 2:1. So we have to study first, that is AB type of structure. So AB type of structure, we have to study three type of structure here, like your sodium chloride structure and cesium chloride structure, and third one is zinc sulfide structure. So a section रे आमे सोडियम क्लोराइड स्ट्रक्चर पढ़िबा, सेठी आमे देखिबा रेशियो दैट इज 1:1. cesium chloride, here also ratio is 1:1. In zinc sulfide the ratio is also 1:1. So in AB2 type we have to study about structure of calcium fluoride, CaF2. So CaF2, so ratio is 1:2. And here in A2B type we have to study about sodium oxide, Na2O. So here AB2 type structure is known as fluoride structure, and here Na2O type, just inverse of this is fluoride structure, so this is known as anti-fluoride structure. This is opposite, anti means opposite, anti-fluoride structure. So first we have to discuss about sodium chloride structure, cesium chloride structure, ZnS structure, that is your AB type structure. So in AB type structure we have to study about sodium chloride and the related examples which also show like your sodium chloride like structure, and similarly cesium chloride and few examples of it which show also this type of structure, again zinc sulfide. So first we consider sodium chloride type structure. Sodium chloride structure, that is your AB type. So sodium chloride structure is also known as a rock salt type structure. Rock salt type structure. So sodium chloride structure. Here in sodium chloride structure the constituent particles are Na plus and Cl minus. The constituent particles are Na plus and Cl minus. Sodium chloride is composed of Na plus ion and Cl minus ion. We know the anions adopt the packing due to their larger size, while the cations occupy their void position, that is interstitial void. So here the anions means Cl minus adopt FCC type arrangement, FCC type arrangement, while the Na plus ion adopt the octahedral void. Na plus occupy the octahedral void. So in octahedral void we know the coordination number of Na plus is definitely is 6. That means Na plus ion is surrounded by 6 Cl minus ion, and also Cl minus is surrounded by 6 Na plus ion. So the coordination number of Na plus is 6 and the coordination number of Cl minus is also 6. So each Na plus ion is surrounded by 6 Cl minus ion, and each Cl minus ion is surrounded by 6 Na plus ion. Why this happens? So we know already in FCC type arrangement, so Na plus ion occupy the octahedral void. So we already know the number of atoms in FCC arrangement. If the number of atoms is 6, then the number of void is also equal to 6. That is, we already discussed about it. If the total number of atoms in a packing is n, the total number of octahedral void is n, and total number of tetrahedral void is 12. So here there is 6 number of Cl minus ion and there is 6 number of Na plus ion which surrounded each other. So Na plus ion is surrounded by 6 Cl minus ion and Cl minus ion is surrounded by 6 Na plus ion. So the coordination number of Na plus is 6 and also the coordination number of Cl minus is 6. So here the coordination number ratio between Na plus and Cl minus is 6:6. So you have to remember here the coordination number in NaCl structure is 6:6. Na plus by 6, Cl minus by 6. So coordination number ratio is 6:6. So now we have to calculate the number of atoms Cl minus को जगह रहिला and Na plus हमर को जगह रहिछि गोटे यूनिट सेल रे हम डिटरमाइन करबा Na plus रो पोजीशन and Cl minus रो पोजीशन. So Cl minus हम ऑलरेडी कहि सारलेनी कि Cl minus हमर पैकिंग करिवो, Na plus हमर void position occupy करिवो. ताले Cl minus को जगह रे रहबो. So since it is FCC arrangement, and हम ऑलरेडी कहि सारले ये रहला हमर FCC arrangement. So FCC arrangement रे the number of Cl minus ताले Cl minus हमर को जगह रे प्रेजेंट रहबो. आमे जानछे 8 कॉर्नर्स रे प्रेजेंट रहबो. FCC arrangement रे constituent particle रहंती 8टा कॉर्नर, 8 corners रे रहिबे as well as 6 faces. So Cl minus occupy 8 corners as well as 6 faces. So number of Cl minus is equal to contribution is 1/8 from each corner. So there are all total 8 corners plus from faces its contribution is half into 6. So total number of Cl minus is here 1 plus 3, that is your 4. So in NaCl unit cell, sodium chloride unit cell, the structure that is each unit cell contains Cl minus, that is 4 number of Cl minus are present. Similarly, the number of Na plus ion present in that unit cell. So Na plus हमर रहला ये occupy करिवो octahedral void रो occupy करिवो. So octahedral void means ये रहला हमर केतडा, that is 12 एज सेंटर. octahedral void ऑलरेडी तुमको बुझाई छी कोट कोट प्रेजेंट होबो, बॉडी रो सेंटर रे प्रेजेंट रहइबो प्लस एज रो सेंटर रे हमरा प्रेजेंट होबो. So there are 12 edge center and from each edge center we know the contribution is 1/4. So there are 12 edge centers and one is at the body center, that is 1/4 into 12 plus 1. So here also Na plus ion is equal to 4 number of Na plus ion is present. So again in FCC arrangement, Cl minus occupy all the corners as well as at the face centers. So there are 8 corners and 6 face centers. So the contribution of each corner is 1/8 and from each face is 1/2. So here 1/8 into 8 plus 1/2 into 6. So the contribution is 1 plus 3 which is equal to 4. So in FCC arrangement the total number of Cl minus is 4, Similarly, the Na plus ion occupy the octahedral voids, all the octahedral voids. So in FCC arrangement, the octahedral voids are present at the edge center and one void is at the body center. So from edge, the contribution is 1 by 4. So there are 12 edges, and from body center, that contribution is 1. So there is total number of 4 number of Na plus ion present and 4 number of Cl minus ion is present. This point is to be remembered. So for each unit cell of sodium chloride contains 4 Na plus ion and 4 Cl minus ion. So the formula of the compound here written as Na4Cl4. So the ratio is 4:4. So we have to cancel it. So we write like this. That is NaCl 1:1, 4:4. That is 1:1. That is NaCl. So each NaCl unit, that means each unit cell contains 4 unit of NaCl. So you have to remember that point. Each unit cell must contain 4 unit of NaCl. Then आमे डायग्राम करिबा तार अरेंजमेंट देखिबा को जगह रे एक्चुअली से प्रेजेंट अछि एवं तार हिसाब आमे नबा कैलकुलेट आमे करिबा. देन लास्ट पॉइंट रेडियस रेशियो. वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट द रेडियस रेशियो. सो रेडियस रेशियो इज इक्वल टू radius of cation divided by radius of anion. So experimentally it is observed that the sodium plus ion cation, the size that is reduced is 95 picometer, 95 picometer, and RCl minus is 181 picometer, 181 picometer. ठीक अच्छे. ताले इथे हमर वैल्यू हम डिवाइड कला पर वैल्यू पाउचे 0.524. This value lies between 0.414 to 0.732. 0.524 lies between these two values. So this is your octahedral arrangement. That is your FCC arrangement in which Na plus occupy the octahedral type void. Again, you may we have to draw the picture. So watch carefully how I am drawing. This is your cube. ठीक अच्छे. सो क्यूब रे आमे कौन कहे Cl माइनस को मु डार्क मार्कर यूज करूची एंड Na प्लस पाई मु रेड मार्कर यूज करूची. चेक करो हमर Cl माइनस को जगह रे थिला. तो Cl माइनस थिला at 8 corners and 6 faces. So here Cl minus, clear, Cl minus. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8. 8 corners, then 6 faces. Here is one face top. Here is bottom. then this is left, this is your right, this is your front face, and this is your back face. ठीक अच्छी 8 corners and 6 faces again, top, bottom, left, right, front face, this is your back face. Then आमर क्लोराइड शेष, देन आम ड्र करवा Na प्लस पाई. तो Na प्लस आमर अच्छी को जगह रे, दैट इज योर एज सेंटर. सो हियर इज वन एज, एज 3 काउंट करके करुची. देन दिस इज ऑल्सो अनदर एज. क्लियरली देख बोले, अदरवाइज बही तुम्हें किसी भी बुझीपार ना. भलरे देख, जी तुमको देखा निजे कर. 1 2 3 4 5 6, then here 7, then this is 8, then this is 9, this is 10, this is 11, one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here another one. This is your 12. 12. That is 12 edge center, and 1 at the center of the body. So I am drawing here body center. This is your body center in a plus. Now ठीक अच्छे, पूरा परफेक्टली करदेली सब जाक तुम Na प्लस आउ Cl माइनस जो जगह प्लेस हवा कथा प्लेस करदेली. बर्तमान वी हैव टू जॉइन दिस लाइन्स. सो सिंपली ड्रॉ दिस, देन ड्रॉ दिस, देन ड्रॉ दिस, ड्रॉ दिस, ड्रॉ दिस. ठीक अच्छे, हॉरिजॉन्टली 3टा भाग में कट हो गला, और वर्टिकली आम 3 भाग में कट भी कर दे पारे. ये अनुसार तुम अरेंजमेंट रहा NaCl पाई. परफेक्ट. सो देख Cl माइनस रहा 8टा कॉर्नर, 8टा कॉर्नर रे एंड 6टा फेस रे, 1 2 3 4 बैक फेस, फ्रंट फेस, एंड Na प्लस रहा आमर फ्रंट फेस. Na प्लस रहा आमर 12 एज सेंटर एंड 1 एट दी बॉडी सेंटर. सो जस्ट चेक कर ऑक्टाहेड्रल वॉइड आम देखा. मुझे तुमको कही प्रत्येक Na प्लस चारिपटे 6टा Cl माइनस एंड प्रत्येक Cl माइनस चारिपटे 6टा Na प्लस रहा. सो चेक हियर, दिस इज योर Na प्लस, this is your Na plus. Mark करो, this is your Cl minus, again Cl minus 2. ठीक अच्छे, 1 2, then here Cl minus, Cl minus, this is Cl minus, Cl minus. और ऊपर तले लेफ्ट राइट, this and these are 2. ठीक अच्छे, means suppose this is your x axis, this is your y axis, this is your z axis. ଏଇଭଳି ଆମର 6ଟା ରହିଲା Cl ମାଇନସ୍ ଚାରିପଟେ 6ଟା Na ପ୍ଲସ୍ ରହିଲା एक्जाक्टली जदि आम कनसीडर करुचे आट दि सपोज ए जगह मैं नौ दैट इज एज सेंटर कनसीडर करुचे सो चेक कर एज सेंटर योर 1 2 दिस इज योर 3 तीन टा रहा एंड हियर ऑल्सो दिस पोर्सन दिस इज ऑल्सो 4 तो ये जो दीटा रखिले फेस रे बैक फेस तार सीधारे गोटे रखीदा ये जगह तार सीधारे भी रखा अनदर यूनिट सेल एंड यार सीधारे मध्य ये गोटे रहा सपोज दिस इज योर एक्स एक्सिस दिस इज योर वाई एक्सिस दिस इज ऑल्सो जेड एक्सिस सो ईच Na प्लस इज सराउंडेड बाय 6 Cl माइनस आयन सिमिलरली जदि मु कॉर्नर कथा चिंता करी Cl माइनस इज सराउंडेड बाय 6 Na प्लस लुक हाउ सो हियर 1 2 3 ये तीनटा देखि दियो सो जदि मु आपको ड्रॉ कर दोची लाइक दिस ड्रॉ कर दियो तो ये रहा आमर से भाया अन्य यूनिट सेल बिकज आम जानते तार कंट्रीब्यूशन रहा गोटे यूनिट सेल 1/8 बाकी तो 7/8 पोर्सन तो अन्य यूनिट सेल अरेंजमेंट होकर रोचे ना तो दिस इज एक्स एक्सिस वाई एक्सिस जेड एक्सिस तो ये अन्य यूनिट सेल रे ता चारिपटे अटैच होते सो द कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर ऑफ Na प्लस इज 6 द कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर ऑफ Cl माइनस इज ऑल्सो 6 so this is complete so you have to remember these points bit by bit for short question thank you